He's not coming to me. My love is not taking this call. Okay, so
maybe I should try calling him via WhatsApp and see if it will connect.
No. Mrs. Can you please call him on your own?
She has to come to the hospital, my prince.
That's okay. That's alright.
But from my observation, nothing is wrong with her sight.
Let's have this conversation when I come to the hospital, okay?
Alright, good night, my prince.
Alright, thank you.
I hope you don't pity me.
I'm trying to help you regain your sight.
Many friends have tried, but they said the same thing, that my sight is perfect, but I can't see.
In that case, let's travel abroad and get your eyes fixed. Let's see a professional.
My prince, you take me abroad?
Oh yes, I will. Because you're my queen. My queen to be. I'll fly you abroad and treat your eyes.
My prince, this is the second time you're calling me your queen. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless.
You don't have to say anything.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Prince and blind girl, see lover, love not a die. Destiny, this is real, love not a die. When you love someone, love someone.
So it has gotten to this point. It has gotten to the point that this girl will leave this house without even thinking to come back. And she will relax wherever she is till nightfall. Hey! Ejimchuku, you have grown. You have really grown.
Devil not the rest, evil people not the sleep. Their mind is not at rest. They hate good things in this world. Even the one that we favor them, they don't care because of selfish ones that we favor them. They don't care because of selfishness. Why can't you repent? Why can't you free your mind in this world? Why still do evil all the time, Mama? Why still think evil every day? You cannot stop.
Who is this?
Mama.
Ejimchuku.
Mama, good evening.
Look at your fine clothes. Who wore you this clothes?
Mama, come on. I've always had these clothes now, even before I went blind. Have you forgotten?
And who was that man that dropped you? Because I heard the sound of car.
Hey, Mama, you heard it. He's my friend. Yes, from way back in school.
Your friend? From way back? Are you telling me that that man did not press your breast and touch your backside?
Hey, Mama Mbakwa, he's very responsible.
Shut up! No, there is no food in the house for me to eat. You just left the house.
Hey, Mama, don't worry. I brought food for you, rice and chicken with salad. Yeah, Leah. It's very nice. You like it? It's chicken and rice and salad. My friend is very responsible. He's a very responsible person.
Chicken, rice and salad.
Yes, Mama. You guys like it, yeah.
Wickedness everywhere. Wicked people everywhere. Always want to kill, to steal, and to destroy. Always want to kill, to steal, and to destroy. Our heart is hard like devil.
Rice and chicken. Alternative. If you like, go let them be pressing your breast up and down. Come! Hey, Timo! Give me water, oh! If you like, go and be messing yourself up. Let them be pressing your breast and your backside. Let me have water! Here! What kind of rice? Let me do like this. Bring water!
I'll ask you again. Where are you coming from? And why have you not been picking my calls?
I went out, Dad.
What is that?
Dad, are you done? Can I go? I said I went out.
Olisa!
The king, please take it easy on him. You know, he's bereaved. He's hurting.
Sorry, Mom.
Husband, I beg of you, try and understand the situation at hand. You know he loves his grandmother so much.
Your mother spoiled my son.
How? My king, please don't say that. You know at this point in time he's grieving. He's mourning his grandmother.
Are you blind? Can't you see? Can't you observe the attitude towards the princess? He is not giving her enough attention.
My husband, please, try to understand. I can assure you everything will work out well. It's a gradual process.
In the next Afro market day, my son will be married to Princess Rhoda. And that's final.
Amara, go and open that kitchen for me. I want to cook for my man. Amara, are you not the one I'm talking to? Go and open that kitchen for me.
Amaka, please, I don't need your trouble this morning. Please.
Hey.
Please.
Amara. Amara! I don't want to beat you. I don't want you to die in my hands. Go and open that kitchen for me. I want to cook for my man. You know what? Give me those keys. Give me those keys.
Amaka, you want to cook with my pot, right? You must be joking. Besides, I heard you saying my husband is your man. Eh? Is it because I didn't ask him to kick you out of the house? Hmm?
Kick me out of the house. As what? As what now? Amara, you are looking for my trouble. Amara, I'll beat you.
You know what? You are an idiot. Yes, it was. Amaka, you are very dirty. It was. You want me to give you the kitchen key, right? You can't even keep my kitchen clean. You use my kitchen utensils and you don't wash them. And you want me to give... See,
how dare you? Are you mad? Are you stupid? Calling me dirty? You are the one that is dirty. Stupid girl. You know what? You are leaving this house today. You are leaving this house. See. Baby, Amara wants to kill me. She wants to kill me.
But you know that she's pregnant. What is wrong with you?
She's lying.
It's okay.
She wants to kill me. It's baby.
Hold here. Sorry.
I don't need to let this girl go.
But you said you should know that you are pregnant. Don't get yourself in a fight.
It's my fault. It's like
Sorry.
Sit. Hold my wrist. Hold here.
Sorry.
See, you have to send that girl away. Or she will kill us. Send her away. What are you keeping her for? I'm here for you now.
Sorry.
I'm so bad.
Sorry.
What I get to this house, I'm so bad. Leave me. Leave me, Uche, leave me. Leave me.
Stop this thing you are doing.
Leave me alone.
Stop it. I don't like it.
Stop what? What will I stop?
You were there, taking sides. Even when you knew I didn't touch her. You already know what she was craving for. Your attention, nothing else.
Amara, you have to calm down. I'm not taking side with her. You know she's pregnant for me. I was just holding her. I was just massaging her waist. It's not. I cannot just leave her like that.
Massaging her waist like that. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. If not for one thing, I would have gone to my father's house.
Amara, you want to leave your matrimonial home for Amaka? See, Amara, you need to put yourself together. We both agreed. We had an agreement that once she puts to bed, she will go back to her parents. I think you and I. You're my wife. Why are you acting like this?
Uchenna!
What is it? What is it again?
You are here. Since morning, baby has been craving hot pepper soup. You are here wasting your time with this thing. Why do you like wood? What can wood do for you when I'm here? Because I know you can only use wood to cook. And baby wants pepper soup.
Amara!
Uche!
Let me remove your answer.
Uchenna! Uchenna, baby wants pepper soup. Uchenna! Uche!
So the prince took you out? Hey!
Stop shouting. Sorry. Don't shout.
I'm sorry, just that I'm so happy.
I know.
Hey! But I told you this thing. Just that you don't used to believe me. You don't believe me at all when I tell you something. Because I'm not a soothsayer. I saw this coming. Hey!
Mana Kelechi, do you think he's doing all of this because I'm blind?
Me, I don't want to think anything, no. I don't want to think anything at all. All I know is that the prince is in love with my friend, Ejinchuku. It's a wedding day. It's a wedding day. Da, 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 da. My friend is getting married. Da, 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 da. I'm dancing. Hey, my friend's getting married. It's a wedding day. It's a wedding day. Da, 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 da.
Kelechi, can you stop? Bia para kuku.
Mama, is that? Mama, welcome.
What are you doing? Shekeleke. Shekeleke bango show. So you don't have work? Even if you don't have anything to do, can't you just sit down in your house and help your mother out? What is your problem? You keep jumping from one place to another like pigeon. Jump, 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 jump. Huh? You are dancing to a blind Fatima, somebody that does not see. Huh?
Mama, I don't like this thing, no.
Oh yeah, get out.
It's not fair.
Get out!
Ejima, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Madam. Let me ask you. Who was that young man that took you out yesterday? Mbe. Mbe. You don't know how to talk. You now stammer. Are you now blind and dumb? So all you do now is to go about announcing to people that I don't feed you in this house.
No, Mama, that's not true. I feed well, I eat well.
So why did he buy you food? Eh? See, who is that man? What does he do? What is his name? I want to know all these things. You see, I want to meet that man tomorrow morning. Or better still, today.
Yes, Mama.
If not, this house will not contain both of us.
Yes, Mama.
Did you hear me?
Yes, Mama.
Eh? You want people to know me as a wicked person? No, that is what you want. You are the only blind person in this community. You will see what I'll do.
People are wicked. People are heartless. People they want joy. They know her. You made her a slave in her own father's house. Yet you're not satisfied.
What do you mean the prince is giving you a cold shoulder? And so? By now I thought you people should be planning your wedding. What if his grandmother is dead? And so? Is the wedding going to halt because the grandmother died? Anyway, the king contacted me. Yes, he is making the arrangement for the wedding for you both. Of course, of course. Yes, now. Listen, my darling, you are a princess. He has no choice. He has to obey his father. Of course. What are you saying? My love, brother, I will call you back.
All right. It is wrong to slap the second in command in tradition of this land. My queen, you shouldn't have done that.
Ezechi, what do you want?
I am Ezemo, and I should be addressed by that title. You have to send for Ono Wokonkwo and apologize to him. The penalty might not be good if you do not go and apologize to him.
over my dead body will I do such a thing? I, Queen Medina, apologize to that old fool? No, I will never do such. I can't, and I will not.
It's alright. I shall send your message to the gods. Good day, Queen Medina.
Me, Queen Medina, apologize to that old fool. Lie, it won't happen. Rubbish. So that he will tell me who my daughter will marry.
Who the hell are you?
My name is Nneka. I'm the new maid.
How did you get in here?
Through the door.
Who asked you to touch me?
Your breakfast is served, sir.
Get out.
Sir?
I said leave. Get out!
Sorry.
Leave this room!
Wickedness everywhere. Wicked people everywhere. Always want to kill, to steal, and to destroy. Always want to kill, to steal, and to destroy. Her heart is hard like devil. She's so determined, desperate woman. She's desperate. She can do undo. She's so mean. She got no conscience. She's very wicked. She can do undo. She got no conscience. Devil not they rest. Evil people not they sleep. Their mind is not at rest. They hate good things in this world.
Hello? What do you mean? What do you mean by it did not work? Didn't you use the powder and proclaim what you want and spray the powder?
Mama, did you give me two? Why are you talking like I'm a child? I know what I did. I said the prince did not even look at me. He kicked me out.
He asked you out of his room? Are you sure you used the powder? The real powder? I don't understand you.
Mama, I'm worried though. I'm worried. What are we going to do?
What? Okay.
Yes. I hope you truly know what you are doing in this palace. This one that every time you are doing hidden calls. What is my business with this local fowl? Are you okay?
My problem with you guys is that you don't know how to mind your business in this palace.
Choo. Mind our business indeed. We are only but watching you.
Can you do anything else? There is nothing. You don't know anything. You cannot do anything. So sit down and watch. Nonsense.
This girl has forgotten that she's in this palace. Okay. We are watching you. Why are you the one pouring the juice? Is it your duty now?
My queen, I elevated her. I think I'm more comfortable with her than others.
And why is Hyena looking so skimpy and shocked?
I'm sorry, my queen. I told the tailor to make it very long. I don't know why she did otherwise. I'm sorry, my queen.
You hired her. Yet you cannot tell her the right things to do. Get rid of that nonsense from your body. That's how rid it off from your body.
Yes, my queen. I'll do that today. I'm sorry.
We shall be visiting her kingdom in the next 3 days. I want the marriage process to commence immediately.
I beg your pardon, who? Are you talking to me?
She, of course. Both of you are getting married.
Sure. Dad, if you're trying to make her your second wife, that's totally fine by me.
What? What do you mean?
Olisa, are you out of your mind?
Oh yes, Father. I'm out of my mind. What type of a father are you? Did I ever tell you I like this girl and I want to be with her? Did I call for a meeting to express my love for her? I have lived my life in this palace, doing what you both want, pleasing you, but that ends today. My grandmother was right. She said to me, I must stand up for myself. No one should manipulate or control me.
Watch your tongue. Do not talk to your father in that manner. Ever again in your life. Never! Your entire life.
What are you looking at? Get out of my presence, idiot!
Sorry, my queen.
Mom, please, you need to come to the palace. Mom, I'm heartbroken. He said he's not going to marry me, that he has someone else in his life. What am I going to do? What, Mom? Oh my God. Mom, yes, I don't know. Yes, I don't know.
Yes. I have someone else in my life. What are you going to do about it? Do you think I like you? Do you as much as think I like you? How can you not see the red flag? It's written all over your face. Hey, look at me when I'm talking to you. I don't even like you. Do I give you attention? No. Do you disgust me? Yes. Do you stand a chance in my life? No. So why don't you go and meet your boyfriend? You do have a boyfriend. You stand a chance in his life. Go ahead and be with him. You're not needed here. What the hell is wrong with you?
What is that?
Father, it is time for me to do the right thing. I am no longer a child. So that when you're no more, when you're dead, I'll be glad I made my choice. And you, am ever attracted to you, let the earth swallow me.
Husband, please calm down. I will talk to our son. I beg you. Don't be too hard on yourself and on him. No matter what, he's still a child. I think he will come out of it. He'll snap out of it, I beg you.
I don't care if I do not have an heir to my throne. That boy has eaten the bad food. If he does not vomit it out, I will cut him out.
Please don't do that.
I will cut him out.
All this on me. Everybody's walking out, matching their shoe. Boy! All on will listen. My husband.
A woman who cannot comfortably pass urine from her bladder to the earth will not insult the tool of the gods. Queen Medina, the gods have forbidden you. You will leave this palace peacefully or whichever way you want it. Because the glory of this palace has left your family.
I dare you and your gods. I, Queen Medina, also, I dare you and your gods. Rubbish.
A child who is being overfed think that resting is a nutrient. He challenges his chi, not knowing that his chi is the maker of his life. I have spoken the words of the gods. Queen Medina.
Wickedness everywhere. Wicked people everywhere. Always want to kill, to stay, and to destroy. Always want to kill, to stay.
Hey! And I said it, that our prince will not marry her. Hey!
You know the part that amazes me so much? No. The fact that she kept saying, I'm a queen, call me a queen, you urchin, you idiot, you maggot. She thinks to get the princess by speaking English. It's not about phonetical.
I wonder.
You know the funny part of she's not crying like a failure. Mom, please go. Yeah. Please go. He said he will not marry me again.
As if the mommy is now the Messiah. Mommy, okay.
Marriage counselor indeed. Anticipated marriage.
Cancelled.
This one suits me. I'm so amazed. And what is going on there?
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings, my queen.
Why are you all jubilating? What are you celebrating? What are you jubilating over? Foolish idiot. Stupid. Can you all get out and go back to your chores? Can you all disappear from there, idiots? Look at them, same size. No value. Urchins. Idiots. Do I blame you all?
Wickedness everywhere.
Mom, finish.
Why are you crying?
Mama, everything is spoiled. Everything has spoiled. The prince said he has someone else in mind. And I'm very sure that person is not me.
It's not me because I was standing there. If I was the one, you would point at me and say, Neka, you're my queen. I cannot live without you. At the end that I breathe, everything, but you did not say anything to me.
You didn't mention anybody's name.
No, Mama, it's not me. It's not me. If I was the one, I would see it from the corner of his eye. When somebody like you, you see it from their eyes. But he was not even looking at me. But it was just...
Shut up! Shut up! Is that why you came back? Eh? He did not mention anybody's name. He did not point at anybody. And you're here crying, lamenting.
Yes, no.
Who knows, maybe he wanted the princess to leave. And you're here shouting, shivering. What is your problem now?
Mama, it's not me. Even if you say somebody, you see. If somebody like you see it from the corner of his eyes. He's not even looking at my side at all. Mama, do something. Mama, do something.
Calm down,
I
calm down.
cannot fail. I have to be queen.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's queen Nneka or nothing.
It's okay, I'll do something. Yeah, Ash. Blind Bartimaeus, where are you going to?
Mama, I want to take a walk.
Why will you sit down there? When you actually want to take a walk, you want to go and gossip.
No, Mama.
Look at her. You just look like your mother, that evil woman. And I look at her.
Do something for me now. Mama, what's the next plan?
Will you keep quiet and listen to me? Don't you have a phone?
I have now.
Then why don't you put a call across? Mama, and you came back here ranting.
Mama, this one don't pass for matter. I have to see you now, so you tell me what I'm going to do next. Now, Mama, I cannot lose the prince. Oh, I cannot lose the prince.
You are not losing the prince. I am here for you. Trust your mother.
So?
You will go back to the palace. That is what you will do. First, go back to the palace.
Mama.
From there, we will... let me think. Calm down.
This is your think again.
It's okay. Calm down.
See, Amara, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 50,000. You go and buy those things. I should just stock the house. Okay. Buy more of foodstuffs.
My husband.
You like food.
You like the garden.
Yes, nah.
Thank
I like
you.
food.
I'll get you.
So
Thank
please.
You're here.
Uchenna.
Okay. Amaka, what is it again? What is it?
You know who my brother is. You are looking for my trouble. You know him. You know what he's capable of doing.
Amaka, what do you want this time? What do you want again? What do you want?
Give me money for antenatal. 10,000 naira.
Were you not the one that gave money for antenatal last week here?
That was last week now. Am I not supposed to go for antenatal this week? Give me money, please.
So antenatal is every week.
Must I tell you everything? Just give me money. Please give me money. I don't want trouble.
Money for antenatal. I'm very, very sure this baby is not from my husband. You just want to tie him down with this pregnancy. Let's go.
Who is this? Who is this wood? Do you know what it takes to be pregnant? Have you experienced it before? You are talking.
Amaka.
Stupid foul.
Amaka, that's my wife. Don't insult my wife again. I will not want to insult my wife.
Isigini, wife. I'm the only wife in this house. Your one and only wife. She's nothing but a wood.
See, let me tell you. For the fact that we are carrying this baby does not make you my wife. She's the one that paid her bride price. I have not paid your own bride price.
Akoko.
Please.
Akoko, what can a wood do for you? Nothing. A wood is only used to cook.
Shut up.
You can't even get pregnant.
Shut up, I said. Shut up. Abia. I am the first and the only wife in this family. And whatever I say stands. See, when you're done giving birth to this baby, you will go back to your father's house. Idiots. Useless.
Uchenna, she said something.
After giving birth to my baby, I'll go back. Go where?
Exactly, you had her. When you are done giving birth to this baby, you get to see your troublesome. I don't even want to marry two wives.
Uchenna, I've come to stay. No leave, no. I'm staying here. I'm your one and only wife.
You are not staying here.
Okay.
Before I'm not staying here. So you better correct yourself.
Uchenna, give me money. Give me money. Oh?
Which money? I don't have any money. I'm giving you money.
Uchenna,
I don't have money.
Uchenna, give me. Uchenna!
I don't have money to give to you.
You are looking for my trouble, though.
Oh yeah, if you put any money in my pocket, collect it. There's no money in my pocket.
There is money. Come.
Wickedness everywhere.
Uche, marry this girl now. Marry her, let everything settle. Just marry her.
What am I? I should marry Amaka. Why now?
Are you asking me? She's pregnant for you now. Just go ahead and marry her. She's carrying your baby.
I should marry Amaka. She's pregnant for me. Are you not aware that I'm a married man? I'm a married man. I don't want to marry two women at the same time.
Oh, I see. So this is what you're telling me now, Abi? Don't worry. Uche, to surprise you, they will burn down your house down. They will burn your house down, bring it down flat, your father's house. It will shock you.
It's a lie. It's a lie, and that it will not happen. I'm not even allowed that to happen. It will not happen.
No,
don't tell me that thing.
Uche,
I'm not going to marry him.
I have told you. Now I'm talking now. You don't know they come off.
Olisa.
Yes, Mom.
Your father wants you to get married to Princess Rhoda here. Look at her very well. She's very beautiful. She's classy, she's educated, she's smart. She's the kind of woman that befits your status as a prince. And here it is, royalty meets with royalty. With the great Chasia, Brosoma. You got like ya.
You're welcome to our kingdom.
Thank you, my prince.
But unfortunately, I cannot marry your daughter.
What?
I'll give you 2 reasons. 1, I'm old enough to find a wife for myself. And 2, I refuse to be pushed around like a little child. You may take your leave.
Your Majesty, what is your son trying to do? Ridicule my daughter? No, I will not sit down here and watch him do that.
It's alright. You will have to go back to your kingdom. Don't worry, I'll sort it out. Okay?
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Princess.
What was the meaning of that?
Olisa, I give you 24 hours to provide the woman you said you want to marry.
Consider it done, Father. Mom, would you like a drink?
guys, guess what? I said yes to my mom.
Love you too. Love you.
Hey, mom.
Oh my God.
My queen.
Yes, dear. I am so happy for you both.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much, my queen. I'm grateful. Thank you.
You know, I always prayed and asked the gods to give my daughter a husband that is from our clan. And it is happening already.
Yes, my queen. It is. You're correct.
So happy. And your father and my late husband, the king, we are very good friends. In fact, your father was one of those that agitated for this our kingdom to be an autonomous. He single-handedly wrote the governor demanding that his best friend and classmate, my husband, be the first king of this kingdom.
Wow.
Yes.
That's interesting.
You're right, my queen. I'm aware of it. My father told me already.
Babe, you're aware. I never told me.
Oh, come on, honey. I was going to say it, okay?
Yeah.
I was just waiting for the right time, you know?
It's okay. Sure. Anyway, I am so happy, and I promise you, you are going to be my son-in-law.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you. Thank you.
So, what about your father?
It's fine. It's fine. He traveled to Germany.
Oh, yes. He told me when I spoke with him yesterday.
Okay. Yes. Well, he's going to be back in a week's time. So.
Oh, all right. That's good.
Thank you.
So happy for my darling. Oh, look at how you're glowing.
Because I'm in love.
I love all of us.
Hey, what? Hey.
Show me stop.
Stop this.
Baby.
Hey, come on. Stop. Stop it already. Okay?
Babe.
What?
But my mom approved of our union.
Yeah, I know. Okay? Look. We have all the time in the whole world. Okay? Come on. Let's just take it easy. Okay? In a few weeks, we'll be married and we can do this anywhere. Okay? We can do it here. We can do it in the couch. We can do it in the kitchen.
Babe.
We can do it in the bathroom.
Babe, just take a good look at you. You're so cute. You're sweet. I can't even resist you. Babe, please.
Same here, okay? You're beautiful. I mean, you're perfect, okay? I still can't resist you. Come on, remember, you're royalty, okay? We agreed no sex before marriage. Alright? Babe, no. Hey, babe, stop it. Stop.
Babe.
Come on. You should learn to
don't
control this. I want it. Babe, I want it. That's the truth, okay? I'm feeling the same way you're feeling right now. I feel like devouring you. I feel like...
So why don't you devour me?
Oh, no. Why? No. We just have to learn to control this.
Babe, please, we can't do...
No, babe, come on. Look, we have to save the best for the last, okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm saving the best.
Are you sure
Babe, I want it, but come on. Come on. I need to save the best after marriage, okay? Come on. Come here.
Babe.
Just control it. I'm trying so hard to control it. So. Please. Come on, please. Please.
Baby, stop.
Come here.
Come on, boy. Come on. What's the meaning of this? Wait. Let me have it. Stop. Why are you doing this to yourself? Huh? I thought I told you to take off your mind from her and be a man. Huh?
Dad, I can't. This pain is so unbearable, Dad.
You'll be fine, son.
I'm trying. But I'm trying, but it's not working. It's not working for me at all. I love Rhoda. I love Rhoda so much. I don't know why Rhoda and her mom chose to treat me this way. I don't know why they chose to treat us this way.
Such is life, my son. You've learnt one. One who entrusts to walk with you in the forest at the dark time might suddenly turn off the light. You see, in life, we only try our best not to trust people. But what about the ones we have created a bond with? I know your pains. I understand. But you will be fine. That's what I'm trying to let you know. You'll be fine.
My heart is bleeding, Father. My heart is shattered. Today was supposed to be our wedding. Today was supposed to be our wedding, Father. Just today.
It's okay, son. It's okay. Like I said, just be a man and let it go.
Know that I'm alright, I'm fine.
Yeah, my son. The prince of Umuche's kingdom called me, letting me know that he won't be getting married to Rhoda again. Yes.
Why?
He said that whatever plans about him getting married to her is not from him, and it will never come from him. But you see, the king is very stubborn, trying to impose Rhoda on his son.
Why, Dad?
Maybe he wants to appreciate her into his company.
Oh.
You know, Rhoda is very smart and intelligent princess when it comes to business and administration. Or they want this royal class of 18.
You're right, Dad. You know, royal class of 18 or business purposes, I guess.
I will want to go back to US. So that I think when you'll get better there.
Oh, no, Dad. There won't be any need for that. I mean, I'm fine. I'm fine, Dad. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, Dad, I am. In fact, I'm working towards that.
If you say so,
I know so, Dad. I'm fine.
It's okay. Let's go out and have some good time.
All right, Dad.
Let's go.
Can you imagine the shame? The embarrassment? When I thought I have him all to myself. This is so devastating. I feel so angry. I'm so mad at myself.
Calm down. I have told you to calm down. Just calm down.
Mom, how? No, tell me. How do you expect me to calm down? How? Tell me. He literally said those to our face. No respect, no regards, nothing. Come on, Mom. How do you want me to calm down? How?
His father told us one thing, and that is what I want you to focus on. I trust him. I know what he can do. And I am telling you that you're going back to that palace as the queen. So just calm down. Okay?
Mom, you know, this is laughable. Me, Princess Rhoda, also, I will kill that girl. I will shred her. I will.
Did you by chance lure the prince to bed?
Mother, I tried. You know, at first I thought it was his pride and ego as a man. Not until his grandmother died and his real color came out.
So you're saying that there was no intimacy?
Are you not getting it? He couldn't even allow me come close to him. You know, I saw the red flag and I ignored it. I was so nonchalant about it. I'm so mad at myself. Gosh.
Anyway, his father will handle this matter, I'm sure. It's a small thing for him. Just calm down, okay?
Mom, I'm so angry.
I'm so angry. I don't even... Just calm down.
I blame myself. Like I'm so angry. I'm so angry. I don't know how to express it. I just feel like,
why don't you listen to me? I said calm down. His father will handle it.
Heaven knows that if Olisa brings a woman that cannot beat my first and only choice, I swear I will slit her throat in his very presence.
No, my husband. You cannot commit murder on account of this. Let us patiently wait to see how the whole thing turns out.
Olisa humiliated me. He disgraced me. Not to worry. I am waiting for his choice tonight.
My love, can you please calm down? Take it easy on yourself. What you going to do, Nana?
A classy girl. A beautiful princess. A well-deserving daughter-in-law. A helpmate. A high-profile princess for that matter. Olisa turned me down and started to use words against me. I am waiting for his choice tonight. Yes, I am waiting.
My king, please take it easy. All these things you enumerated does not determine the success of your marriage. Like he said, he won't marry our choice. Does not mean we cast him out. No matter what, he's still our son. Marriage will come at the right time. Just calm down.
I do not know what you want me to do, woman.
Wise one. My daughter is worried. She is worried because the charm you gave to her to lure the prince in the palace did not work. Yes. As I speak to you, the prince has declared his interest on a certain lady that we do not know about.
So what exactly do you want me to do, woman?
I want you to work on the charm that you gave to my daughter, so that the prince will marry my daughter and she becomes the queen.
Woman, you asked me for a love charm on the prince. You did not say you want the prince to marry your daughter, for your daughter to be the queen. You never said that.
Ichaka. The love charm to work and the prince to marry my daughter and she becomes the queen. Is it not the same thing that we are talking about?
It is not the same. And don't argue with me.
Okay. Even the love charm was not effective to the prince. It did not work.
Did you ask your daughter if she did exactly what I asked you to tell her?
What is there? She used the powder as she said, and she poured it on the bed of the prince. She declared her intention and said whatever she wants. My daughter is so clever not to do what you ask her to do.
You think she did all that?
What is there to do? She did everything. She said all that. Yet it didn't work.
Woman, go home. I will call you to inform you on what your daughter will do next.
Okay. Wise one. At least, can you be able to tell me the lady he declared his interest on? At least let me know the particular lady.
Focus on your own, woman.
My prince, from all the findings, she's perfectly okay. Like there's nothing wrong with her.
But she knows she can't see, right?
I'm aware. But look, take a look at this. This is the result from the last test we conducted. She is perfectly fine. Like there's nothing wrong with her eyes. I believe you understand what I'm saying. So at this point, I don't think she needs medical help. I don't think so. All right, thank you. Right. I'll be in my office.
Wickedness everywhere. Wicked people everywhere. Always want to kill, to steal, and to destroy. Always want to kill, to steal, and to destroy. Our heart is hard like devil.
No, now. Why am I thinking like this? Apollonia, stop. It's not possible. Can't be. Mbano. Where is this? Ejim Chuku! Ejim! Bia para kuku hey. Fellow Bia. Where are you flying to?
Good evening, Mama.
I said, where are you flying to? Where is Ejim Chuku? Is he not with you?
No, Mama. I even came here for her.
I thought she was with you.
No.
You came here for her?
Yes, Mama.
Come. Come now.
Mama, I'm here.
I want you to tell me the truth. Else I will strangle you. Who is this man that normally comes here to take Ejim Chuku out if I'm not around?
Mankwa. No, Mama, I don't know any man. No.
Are you telling me the truth?
I don't know any man, Mama.
Oh, yeah, fly back.
Mama, no.
Ebwe, fly back. Eh? Who is this young man that normally comes here to take Ejim Chuku out whenever I'm not around? Let it not be what I'm thinking. Hey, Mbano. God forbid. God forbid. Hey, Mbano. Apollo Bigwa, don't think that. Forbid. Can't happen.
I have a different opinion about this. No, what do you think?
Well, Your Highness, I don't really know what to say. Careful.
Listen, what is going on here?
You're good. Sorry.
Who is this girl? Who is this blind girl with you? Who is she?
What's going on?
Good evening, my king.
What is that?
Your Majesty.
What is going on? Is this a kind of joke or something?
Your Majesty. I was instructed by you to find a wife. And I'm very delighted to present to you Ejim Chuku Okoro from our own Umucheze kingdom.
What? You found what?
A wife.
Olisa, the only reason you still have your head on your shoulders is because I do not want to be a murderer. And you have the temerity, the audacity to bring a vision impaired non-entity to my palace.
A blind girl? So after searching through this kingdom and beyond, all you could find is this blind thing, this blind Blind bat!
Watch your mouth, mother.
Young girl.
Leave now! How dare you! How dare you ask her to leave? Who the hell are you?
Olisa, as the king of this great kingdom, I hereby banish you from my kingdom. And I want you to peel off everything that is of this kingdom from you.
Your Highness.
What?
Gods!
My king, please.
God!
My king.
Yes, my king.
Your Majesty, that's our only son, our only child. He didn't kill anyone.
Gods, I want you to strip the prince of everything royalty right now. Afterwards, you send him out of my kingdom.
Your Highness.
Do it now!
Your Highness.
Do you know what you're doing? Your Majesty!
I'm sorry, my prince.
I'm begging you, don't do this. That's too harsh. He didn't kill, he didn't commit any murder. All he did was to find a woman, even though she's...
My king, please. My king, please, I beg you.
Oh no, is it not too much?
Ichie, we cannot question the degree of our king. We can't.
But why? Why? Why, Prince Olisa? Oh no, is that not the first daughter of Mazokuru that got blind 3 years ago?
Ichie, I'm still surprised. Okabaramgare.
Mama.
Yes, hello.
Why not join me at the dining? At least let's eat before the meeting commences.
My prince.
Ebuka, are you alright?
Yes, my prince.
I don't think so. I overheard you speaking to someone about your mother being in the hospital.
Yes, my prince. You are very correct, my prince.
What happened? Did you tell my parents about it?
Yes, I told the king, but no reply, my prince. He only said he'll get back to me, and it's 3 days now.
So what is your mother's condition?
She's still in the hospital.
Why?
The hospital asked us to evacuate our mother because there is no money to conduct the surgery and that she's occupying space in the hospital.
I'm sorry to hear that. Here.
My prince.
Yeah, some money for your mother's surgery.
Thank you, my prince.
It's okay. Sorry.
Thank you, my prince.
Sorry, get up, get up, get up.
Hi. No hope, no hope.
Get
Finally,
up. Get up. Get up.
Thank you, my prince.
Good, you can go.
Thank you, my prince. Thank you, my prince. Thank you,
You
my
can
prince.
go, it's alright.
Thank you, my prince. Thank you, my prince.
I will not walk in this palace again. I rather die than to walk or serve this palace.
Ebuka! Ebuka! Ebuka, come back! The priest just saved his mother last week. Leave me alone. Ebuka.
Talk to me, what is it?
Mama,
huh?
You've not heard.
Heard about what?
Hey! Mama, the worst has happened.
What is it?
It is finished.
Oh, talk now!
Mama, the king has banished his only son.
Is that lie? Huh? What did he do?
Mama, that is not the news.
That is not even the news. So if that one shock you, let me not tell you the one that will surprise you.
What is it?
Mama, the prince brought in a maiden that he said he wants to marry and make her his queen.
A maiden? Is that why they banished him?
Mama, I don't know.
Is he a prostitute?
Even better. Prostitute would have been better. It would have been better, but this one that happened to me, so it's paining me in my mind.
Oh, talk now.
Guess who this maiden is? Guess. Guess.
Can I guess?
Guess who is this maiden that have taken my food away from me?
Who is that person?
Ejimchi. Ejimchuku!
Yeah. Which Ejimchuku?
I mean, Ejimchuku, do you know? Your blind stepdaughter, Ejimchuku, of course. Ejimchuku.
Blind Ejimchuku?
She has taken my man away. He has taken my man.
How can a blind person? How did she manage to see him?
Mama, my heart is broken. My heart is broken. No. My heart is finished. My heart is finished. Mama. 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 Mama, where are you going to? Mama, where are you going to? Ah.
Yo,
I have told
no, mother, no.
I have
I
told
can't take
you to
it.
calm down.
I can't.
I have told you to calm down. Just calm down. Eh? You don't have to worry. Listen.
I can't take it.
Listen, they will not get married. Just trust your mother. Trust your mother. No one insults me and go unpunished. Never.
Medina, should I remind you that your stay in this palace is useless? You are looking for trouble, Medina. You are looking for trouble.
Who are you? Mom, who is this one? Who are you?
The gods have forbidden the both of you to dwell in this palace. When the gods sent his servant to an urgent errand, the servant uses his leg to break the door. Do not push me, Medina. Do not push me.
Mom, what's going on?
Wait for me. I am coming.
What's going on, Mom? What's going on?
Do not say I did not warn you, Medina. Do not say I did not warn you.
Mom!
Where is he? Where is he?
Mom, what's
You should have waited for me. Let me pump these bullets inside you. Fool! Look at him.
Mom, what's going on?
Listen,
Like, I'm confused.
this
What's going
palace is mine. This kingdom is mine. I am Queen Medina. I own everything. Rubbish.
What's going on?
Don't mind that urchin. He's lucky this time. He might not be lucky next time.
Okonkwo, I just heard the news from my friend Ikoku that he banished his only heir to the throne. Yes, just because the son chose a blind girl over our own princess, Princess Rhoda. That is unbelievable. So the prince never wanted Princess Rhoda. Okonkwo, that is what I'm telling you. That is just the fact. Ah, look at Ezemo. Ezemo, whatever that caused you to leave your shrine this time must be very crucial.
Greetings, Ndiche.
We greet you. Greetings, Ezemo.
Tell Chief Oko that the gods have chosen him to be the next king of our kingdom.
Good news.
And in the next 7 days, you shall bring him to the shrine for cleansing. The gods have spoken.
Yes! 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 Ah! Ichioko. Good. Good. gods of our land, we thank you. We thank you. Let us go and break the good news to him.
Woman, leave my presence. I told you you can only delay destiny. You cannot destroy destiny. I told you that.
You're a fantastic liar. You asked for cow. I gave you big cow. You asked for big ram. I gave it to you. You asked for big hen, of which I gave it to you. You scammed me. And now you have the guts to ask him to leave. For your information, I am not leaving this place without all my money. I'm not leaving a dime for you.
Remember, you came on your own. I did not invite you. Now, leave my presence before I do something you will regret all your life.
Maybe you don't understand me. I said I am not leaving without all my money. Period.
Woman, the prince and the blind girl have been banished from this land. Does that make her a queen? The news is everywhere.
No.
Answer me.
Let me ask you. Were they supposed to meet? Were they supposed to meet? What are you telling me? Huh?
Woman, don't make me be angry with you. Because if you do, you will not like me.
Oh,
now leave my presence.
What can you do?
Don't come closer to me.
No, what do you think you can do?
Don't come closer.
I said, what do you think you can do?
It's okay.
I'm going to say Abuogo.
Igbo funanyo okwe.
Onwere ife Igbo na-afụ.
Igbo funanyo okwe.
Onwere ife Igbo na-afụ ka m na-agwa gị. Ka m gwazie gị Monday.
Igbo funanyo okwe.
You see you, Monday. I will run you down in this town.
No! Wait!
I will run you down!
Oh, you are running! Why don't you stand and challenge me? Can make it? You want your child to be the queen.
Wickedness everywhere. Wicked people everywhere. Always want to kill, to steal.
My husband, I am too respected for you.
Hey, wait.
My husband, the Lord has done it finally.
Oh my God.
Finally,
the Lord has done it finally.
Finally. Oh my husband.
You are pregnant.
Yes, I am not barren.
No.
I am not a wood, as they called me. I'm fruitful.
Hey!
Oh, my husband, I'm so happy.
Hey! What's this noise for? Why are you people disturbing me? Eh? The Lord has done it finally. Are you the only pregnant woman here? Me too, I'm pregnant. And my son is the first son of this family. So all this nonsense you are doing, that thing you are carrying, I don't know.
The Lord has done it finally. Finally. The Lord has done it finally. Finally.
My husband, God has proven to my enemy that I am not a woman.
You are not
I am
a
fruitful, my
yes.
husband. My brother, you're fruitful. We are fruitful. Okay, come here. Come.
What is it?
Finally. Baby wants hot, smoked jollof rice. Come here now.
Excuse me. I have a new baby now.
Uchenna, baby wants smoked jollof rice. I will call my brother. Uchenna.
This is funny. So the prince preferred a Jemchukwu over us.
No wonder he never appreciated our efforts. He just left us there. Hey!
Well, all I see is destiny and grace. But this love is somehow. Even the royal house could not accept her. But Amaka, my friend, you are the most luckiest among us all. At least you are married and you are pregnant.
Yes, so I'm so lucky. Uchenna loves me so much.
For Uchenna to accept you back into his life after all you did to him, after all he went through because of you. Amaka, you are lucky. If it's me, you must marry the prince by fire, by force.
Ada, I don't like this one. I don't like it. What kind of talk is that now?
Calm down now, Ami. I was just joking with you. But you are lucky now. No, look at you. Pregnant. Wait. Did you use juju on him?
I did not use juju. Love. Uchenna loves me, yes.
Love. Uchenna. Two besties married to one man.
Ada, I can see you brought me out here to insult me. Eh?
No! Amaka, wait. Why would I insult my friend?
I don't like it.
Why would I insult my friend? Two besties married to one man.
Please.
It's okay, I was joking.
Wickedness everywhere. Wicked people everywhere. Always want to kill, to steal, and to destroy. Always want to kill, to steal, and to destroy. Her heart is hard like devil. She's so determined, desperate woman. She's desperate. She can do undo. She's so mean. She got no conscience. She's very wicked. She can do undo. She got no conscience. Devil not the rest. Evil people not the sleep. Their mind is not at rest. They hate good things in this world. Even the one that we favor them, they don't care because of selfish one that we favor them. They don't care because of selfish.
Amaka.
Obika. How are you?
I am fine.
Longest time.
I am fine, and I can see you are fine too.
I'm fine, no. I'm fine. Obika, I've been wanting to come and meet you in your shrine. There's something bothering me. I don't know what to do.
No problem. You can come and see me anytime you want. But how is my baby in your womb? Hope it's going well.
Obika, stop calling my baby your baby. Stop it now. I've told you to stop it. I don't like it. Which one is your baby? How? Stop it.
Yeah. Amaka, don't forget you are talking to Obika, the sharpshooter of the gods. Let me tell you anyway, I'm not here to argue with you. I just want you to know, number one, that Uchenna cannot father my child in your womb. Never. Number two, you cannot deny or argue with me because that child is a blessing from the gods to me. And the third one is that is either you get married to me or you give me my child and go your way.
Obika, are you okay?
Very okay.
Are you insane? How? Marry you? God forbid. I can never marry you.
Oh.
Never.
No, because I'm keeping quiet. Okay, because I kept quiet. Listen, don't allow me to let the whole community know that we fornicated because you are desperate to be a queen. Anyway, that will be a talk for another day. Just remember that this child is mine and not Uchenna.
Obika, my child is not yours. My child is not your child, Obika. Leave me alone now.
I said my own. I will be on my way.
Obika, this baby is not yours, so it's for Uchenna, my husband.
Just take care of it.
Prince and blind girl, see lover, love not a die. Destiny, this is real, love not a die. When you love someone, when you love someone, for your body. You can show
Sorry, yeah.
Oh.
Sorry, did you hurt yourself? Were you sleeping?
Yes, I was.
Just hold on, let me get the chair. Stay here.
Okay.
This way. No. Here. Come. Sorry. Wait. Just sit down. Yeah. Right. You okay?
Thank you, my prince.
Welcome. You feel better?
Yeah. Your father froze your account.
Yes, he did. But it's not a problem. I'm actually very fine here.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. But I believe everything will be fine. Okay?
It's okay. I don't want to talk about it. Like I said, I'm very fine. I've just been trying to wrap my head around how we can raise money, at least to feed. Yeah. I took away everything and just been thinking about how we can raise some money. I don't know.
My prince. What about breaking firewood and selling it? It's really a good business, you know, here in this village. We can try it out.
You want me to sell firewood?
We can do it. Okay? Kelechi will help us tie it while me, I'll carry it on my head and we can sell it. I can do it. You don't even need to carry it. I have single bone. I can carry it.
Okay, I'll think about it.
You'll not regret it. Trust me, it's a good one. I hope you're not worried.
No, I'm not. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
Everything will be fine, okay? Soon. And thank you for loving me unconditionally. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is pure nonsense. I won't accept that. This is nonsense.
My husband, my king, please, I am begging you, take it easy on him. Calm down. Don't be too hard on yourself and on our son.
Can't you see this is nonsense? This is unacceptable. It is pure nonsense.
My king, what if I speak to the prince and make him marry my daughter?
I will make him have my inheritance with immediate effect. I will instate him.
All right.
Just that I want him to clean the mess he rubbed on my face and that of the kingdom.
I will do that.
And that's by the way. Ono came to the palace yesterday requesting that I told you to obey the gods. Did you in any way raise your hand on your no? I'm asking!
Are you crying? No, tell me, are you still crying? Eh?
Tell me, why won't I cry? Why would I cry, Mama? Everything is gone. The prince is gone. It's no longer mine. My exams have passed. Even Frank, my boyfriend, is getting married today. I chop breakfast left, right, and center. So tell me, why would I cry? It's paining me now.
Nothing now. I thought you guys are back.
Ma, he came back. But he only came back to punish me. The idiot did not tell me that today is his wedding. Who would have thought that in this whole wide world, the prince will meet Ejimchuku and make her his queen of all the people?
That one is still... I don't know how they meet each other. I don't know how they come across. It's still baffling me. I don't know. How?
It's the how that is baffling you. The how they meet is the thing that is baffling you. You failed me, Mama. You failed your daughter. You promised me that I will become queen. That one did not baffle you.
Hey, shut up. Shut up. Keep quiet. Are you not still working in the palace? Eh? On a name. Bring me water, let me drink, Pico.
Wickedness everywhere.
After crying and shouting, bring me water.
Always want to kill, to steal, and to destroy. Always want to kill. Prince and blind girl, see lover, love not a die. Destiny, this is real.
This granola is sweet though.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. It's from Mama Chukudi. No, the last one was from Mama Emeka.
The last one was not sweet.
I know this.
When you are in love, for your body. I have found true love. I have found my missing breed. Live them for me. Now you be my choice. My love.
Open the gate! Where them there? When you go bring the daughter of my greatest enemy for my kingdom, I go kill William!
It's possible you don't like who I like, but that's who I like and there's nothing you can do about it.
All I know is that the governor's son is interested in...
I'm not interested in the governor's son!
Millions of naira going down the drain, all because of Asobike!
And I'm not interested in him! I don't like him!
Because of my ancestors! Take me out of here before I kill somebody!
We are children of the nobles. It is forbidden in our lineage.
How long are we going to be in this bondage? How long?
Grace.
Take her! What you going to do? Do your worst!
No matter what you do to me or you say, it will never change the fact that the people of Anuku will be forever greater, smarter, more intelligent, more well than every living soul.
I could kill all your children. I could destroy everything where they breed for your kingdom.
If anything that has breath goes down or missing in my kingdom, I will wipe your entire generation and your lineage out of the surface of the earth.
What is going on here? So kindness has played a fast one on me. I am mad to go kindness. Ikemba, I'm not going.
You are going.
I am not
You are
going.
going. This is war. The prince will not bring his daughter to the palace.
Mom, I'm not coming back until your father fixes the issue with the people of Anuku.
Take him out of my sight.
Dead or alive, I want him at my gate here. Did you hear me?
The nonsense has got to stop. I'll make sure of that.
Can we kill him?
No.
The revolution has begun.
Prince and blind girl, see lover, love not a die. Destiny, this is real.